हाय दोस्तों, इस वीडियो में हम लर्न करेंगे रिएक्ट राउटर। तो हम फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमारा फोल्डर ओपन कर लेते हैं। ठीक है, इसके अंदर हम एक न्यू फोल्डर बनाएंगे रिएक्ट राउटर करके। ठीक है, रिएक्ट राउटर। ठीक है, हम इसके अंदर चले जाएंगे और शिफ्ट F10 दबा के हम VS कोड को इस फोल्डर के अंदर ओपन कर लेंगे। ठीक है, तो आप देख सकते हो वी आर इन द करंट फोल्डर, राइट। इट इज़ अ रिएक्ट राउटर। सो अब हम टर्मिनल ओपन करेंगे, कंट्रोल शिफ्ट टिक। ठीक है, and you can see, okay, so currently we don't have anything. So first of all, using Vite. Okay, I am using Vite library to create, okay, React app. Okay, so just click on this, it will create. Okay, so it will ask for the framework. Okay, so we will choose the React, and in variant we will choose JavaScript only, right. So now you can see uh, a project folder name as react underscore app has been created. What we will do, we will go inside our project folder, right. Then as per the instruction, we will install the dependencies and packages which are required to run the project. So after doing this, what we will do, we will install some more packages. Okay, for example, for using the react router, we will install reactor router DOM package. Okay, so that will be helpful for utilizing the react. Okay, now if you see here, right, so you can see this is a entire project directory, right. So now we will run the development server, and you can simply control click mouse click on it, and you will see something like this. Okay, so this is all about how to create a reactor project, okay, using the Vite. Now I will show you that currently inside this react DOM, okay, inside the dependencies you can see there is a no reactor router DOM. Okay, so first of all, let me again maximize this. Okay, you can see this. So first of all, we will stop our react server. Okay, and now we will install the react router DOM package. Okay, so just here currently there is no dependency added in the dependencies dictionary as a reactor DOM. So after installing it, it will it will get added here, right. So just press enter and the npm will install it. Okay, and you can see here, right, you can currently see here that the reactor router DOM dependency has been added inside the dependency. Okay, so this way guys, it will be work. Now just run the development server and you can see here, right. Okay, it got refresh automatically. Now this is all about package.json and how to install the reactor DOM reactor router DOM. Okay, so let's come inside here. Now we will remove this. Okay, so we don't need this again, this much, and this also. Okay, so we don't need. Oh, so now this is a empty project, right. Now first of all, if you go back to your react router, there is nothing, right. This development server on this website, there is nothing. So first of all, sorry, what we will do, we will create a folder. Okay, and we will name it as components. Okay, components, right. So first of all, what we will do, we will create a login component here. Okay, just here, rfac. Okay, So this is a login component. Now next we will go and create a logout component for it. Okay, again we will do rfac. Okay, this sample boilerplate code. Okay, so VS Code will automatically generate it. And now finally register, right? For registering the user, we will use this. Okay, rfac, just add it. So these are the components. Okay, so after doing this, what we will do, we will simply create empty tags. Okay, fragments. Now what we will do, just create a form, right? And here we will label it as username, right? Input type text. Okay, and name as username. Placeholder username. Okay, so this is for, I will just copy this and paste it. And this is next for the password. Okay, type as password, name as password, placeholder as password, right? Password. And finally we will add a normal button, right? Button as submit, right? Login. Okay, for login page. And simply we will copy this. Okay, okay, copy this, copy, and go to the register. Here also we will do the same thing, just add it here, right? So instead of we will register. Okay. And here we will say as do you wish to log out, right? Input submit. Okay, here we will say submit. Hmm? Yes. Okay, bring it over and just do it. So okay, so login component is ready, logout component is ready, and register component is also ready, right? So now coming back to the JSX, what we will do, uh, we will do one thing here. So what we will do now, what we will do, we will import a browser router, right? Browser router as router, then router, then routes, then route, and then finally link. Okay, from the uh, react router DOM. Okay, you can see, right? So this much is enough. You can see new dependency optimize, right? So first of all we will create a router here, right? And then inside we will create a navbar. Now here just add button, and then simply link to, okay, link to say, okay, register, right? For register, now just copy this, paste here and paste here, right? Now here, login, and this is for logout, okay, login, and this is for logout, right? Done. Now we should we should insert it inside this division tag, right? Okay, inside this navigation, only this much is enough. Okay, now we will create routes. Okay, so this will contain the routes. Okay, so these are the links. Okay, these are the links. If you click on these buttons, this will bring you, this will say you as, this will tell you where to go. Okay, this will link to the routes. Now first of all, what we will do, route path, then yeah, what we will add register component here, right? This is for register component. Now next would be for login. Okay, next one would be for login element, login, right? The VS Code will automatically add the logout element. Okay, so this much is enough for the reactor outer DOM. You can see, right? These are the links, and if you click on these links, this will um, this will carry you to the components. Okay, one by one. Yeah, where is register? Right. क्या फालतूपना यार ये. Okay, okay, where I'm mistaken. Route, right? Now it should be shown. Okay, so this is for register, this is for login, and this is for logout, right? Okay, you can see. Okay, so this way, guys, it will work. If you want to style it as, it will be done. Let me show you. Okay, app.css. We don't need this much. Root is enough. Form, display, flex direction, column. Hmm. Okay, I can see this way it will be shown to you, right? अरे बहन रुकते क्या जरा सा. Okay, now it's good, right? So this way, guys, it will work. Okay, log out, log in, and right. So how it will work this way. So guys, this will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video.